Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you now, what's going on. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So Leos, let's see what are the messages for you. Okay, so we have the Seven of Wands, the Eight of Cups, the Six of Wands, the Nine of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the King of Cups, the Nine of Cups. Okay, let's have one more. Okay, the Sun anyway. So Leos, with this, what I feel here is that you've been either resisting something, trying to defend something, or struggling with something. Okay, and now you are sort of either the struggle is getting over, or you are leaving it or letting it go. Okay, so anyway, whatever it is, whatever the struggle was about, whatever you were trying to resist or defend, whatever you were trying to do, you are leaving it. So it will be over soon. Okay, it's about to get over. Now it can get over for two reasons. Either you decide to let it go, or you've overcome it. It can be anything, because ultimately in any scenario, whatever your logical sense says, whatever you feel is right for you, you are doing it for whatever reason. Okay, but you are giving it up, or you are leaving it because you've already succeeded in it, or the struggle is over as such and you've got what you wanted to. Whatever it is, in any case, with the Six of Wands, you are emerging victorious in it. You are emerging victorious, you are happy, you are ultimately, you've achieved your purpose, whatever it was. So if you feel in your scenario, in your situation, you feel that it is a wise action or a wise step to give up the struggle, in that case also you are victorious. If you feel, okay, I need to do it, I need to achieve whatever I am trying to achieve, in that case also you are able to succeed, then you are achieving success in that scenario, and you are really happy. Okay, with the Nine of Cups and the King of Pentacles, and whatever it is, you are coming off as very established, stable, emotionally content, happy, victorious. Everything is very good over here. Okay, so and see, the reason for giving up this struggle or coming out of the struggle can be anything, whatever it is, but this phase is ultimately getting over. You are coming out happy, victorious, people are looking up to you, you yourself are feeling very good about it. The energy is of emotional and financial contentment. You are feeling very grounded and stable also. Okay, and then we have the Knight of Swords and the Queen of Swords. So what I feel here is there is an energy of you at least having the instinct to rush towards something. Okay, you really have an impulse to rush towards something or someone, whatever the situation is. And what I feel here is that you really need to get grounded over here, because what somehow the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Nine of Swords, somehow what I feel is whatever this impulse is that you want to rush towards or achieve, or whatever you want to do, it's coming off. You need to resist that urge or that temptation of trying to rush in towards someone or something, whatever it is. You need to emotionally ground yourself, think logically, emotionally ground yourself, think about it, because ultimately if you act in an irrational manner, if you rush in towards it without proper sorting it out or proper analysis of the situation, or without logical thinking, that it may lead to a lot of anxiety to you. That's what I feel. Okay, but if you are able to think in a balanced way, if you are able to do that logical thinking, and I should say, if you are able to balance your emotions and brain, it's like balance of the heart and mind, and or weigh the pros and cons of whatever this is which is literally drawing you or tempting you to rush in. If you are able to do that logical thinking, you will get the happiness, and you will get you'll be really happy. But what I feel is there is something which may worry you if you act out of impulse. Okay, so that is what you need to do. So just check those impulses of yours, because since you are very very happy, you are very very content, and maybe it may get that you may feel that you are feeling overconfident, and in that overconfidence you may want to rush in towards um, whatever it is, whatever you want to rush in towards. So it's coming off as a check. That's what I feel. Do not act in haste. Do not act in haste. Says do not be overconfident, I would say. Let's see what are the additional messages. We have the four of diamonds over here. So the four of diamonds means that you are trying to keep an eye on something, or somebody is trying to keep an eye on you. Whatever it is, you need to be vigilant. Basically, you need to be vigilant. You need to do that logical thinking before rushing in. Else may you may land up in a lot of anxiety and tension. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Helper of thought. Your life is about to start moving very fast. Events that seem to be on hold suddenly require all your attention. There is no time to sit and ponder. You've got to get moving. Review the details as best as you can. You know you will meet, or you are someone with a very quick mind who instantly grasps what to do. This person is both confident and courageous. So that is what you need to understand, that do not let that confidence and courage, don't let it get into your head. Okay, don't be overconfident while you are moving towards whatever this Knight of Swords, whatever this temptation is towards you. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.